You can try them with the, no, you not, you can stop.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
all right. Oh, no, you can leave. I'll take care of him. All right, thank you. I'll send him down.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
All right.
So your attorney, your client wanted to speak to you. He said he hasn't had a chance to speak to you.
We talked today, Your Honor.
We spoke.
We kind of got some
At length,
things to do.
Judge, and there is a motion to suppress that has been filed, Your Honor, so we're asking for a setting on that motion to suppress.
Is that motion to suppress going to be dispositive?
I believe so, Judge. I mean,
No, I mean, is it or isn't it? Because otherwise it will be run with trial.
No.
it will be dispositive.
All right, state? All right. They're saying that if the motion is granted, of course, the case is done. But if it's not granted, they're saying they're going to enter a plea.
Oh, I think it's no proof.
That's what that means, dispositive. It means that if,
I take it no proof.
all right,
we-
so then we
we
need to,
run with trial,
can you
Judge?
do a jury trial setting, please? If y'all will confer with
There's no
Ms.
point in-
Ferguson.
Without,
But I mean, it'll be run with trial, so.
no, I don't know.
All right,
Who's responsible?
how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
You'll have.
For testimony, 2 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, jury trial date, they say 2 days.
Responsible because I'm not gonna take no proof off. That's how I'm gonna run the trial. I want to suppress before trial, and you don't have the video.
All right,
Donna,
your
let me
jury
say-
trial date is going to be August 5th?
August 5th?
Yes. All right, thank you. And counsel, if you decide, sign the discovery acknowledgement before you leave?
Well, Judge, the state is inquiring about some additional discovery, to see if the Helotes Police Department has that discovery available, so that's all we're waiting on.
Judge, I don't believe that it exists, but just as a courtesy to them, I did reach out to confirm that. But to my knowledge right now, that video does not exist. I did reach out to the arresting agency earlier today saying, hey, please confirm whether this video exists or not. And I did confer with Mr. Controlla about that, but I have not heard back as of yet.
All right. All right, so you'll be scheduled for jury trial August 5th, and they'll bring you over dressed for trial.
I have a question, Your Honor.
Sure.
I would like a suppression hearing outside of that because there's some objections to the indictment that I haven't got to put in. I haven't been able to speak with
The
counsel.
objection to the indictment is something completely different than a motion to suppress.
Well, we
You
have.
can discuss that with your attorney.
And I will follow motions.
All right, thank you.
If necessary, Judge.
All right, thank you. Leroy Smith.
So we're gonna find out some justice. That's crazy, you know?
Judge, Mr. Smith's been ill.
Hello.
We don't know what he has, so.
Oh, well, we need to get you out of here.
Yes, Judge. Since Friday. he's been-
So do you have all the discovery,
I
counsel?
do have all discovery. I'm conferring with the state. We're working on a plan, Your Honor, and we'd like to get a regular reset.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Leroy Smith, I need a plea deadline date in 30 days, please.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Plea deadline date for Leroy Smith in 30 days. All right. August 4th, once he signs the reset form, he's excused.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Boy, I seen you, you was on,
All right, thank you.
You went viral.
Oh,
Gone viral.
okay. I have no idea what that means. I have no diseases. What? Right. Yes, sure. Janet Silva. Yes.
I can catch a little bit better information than I do, Your Honor.
Judge, so Miss Silva is not on probation, but she was grouped in the group where we were trying to get resources available for behavioral health.
Mhm.
I received information this morning that she was found incompetent.
Okay.
Um,
All right, then they're probably going to end up, because of the nature of the offense, if they don't have a stable outpatient for her, they're going to send her to the state hospital till she becomes competent.
so she, from my understanding, he's number 55 on the competency list. And they asked for the in-jail competency
Restoration?
Restoration program.
Okay.
So as soon as she's off of suicide watch, they're gonna be able to do that.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a 45-day reset for Silva. You're welcome. August when?
21st.
All right, August 21st. And what page is Silva on? Thank you.
Innocence of Phantom Date or the report?
Yes, it's a phantom date. All right, Rochelle Walker. Hi. Thank you.
Tendering a dismissal charge.
Thank you. All right, they're tendering dismissal, Ms. Walker, they say, because there is a witness missing, so they're not saying they're dismissing because they don't believe that you're not guilty of this offense. So I'm telling you right now, whatever is going on in your life, you had better do a course correction. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself at somebody's jail or at somebody's prison. Do you understand? If there's a drug or alcohol issue going on and you need help with that, if you come back to the court, if I'm here, I will pick up the phone and call someone to help you. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Chris Cervantes.
Present.
Counsel, good morning. Where are we on discovery?
I'm not ready to sign off on a discovery acknowledgement. He was just indicted in May. We got hired June 17th, so I'm still in the process of going through and making sure we have everything.
Okay,
I conferred briefly with Segurahan.
okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset on a discovery for Chris Cervantes, please. 30? All right, August 4th will be your discovery date. Is there anything else?
Judge, if I may,
Mhm.
is it possible to do somewhere around August 15th? That's a Friday, or if the 18th is better for the court, that's a Monday.
We can do August 14th. Norma, I'm sorry, not August 14th. We can do August 11th because he's on Mondays.
I was just trying to pick a date when Charles was here.
Okay.
He is here beginning the 18th, August
August when?
18th.
All right, Norma set it for August 18th.
Thank you very much.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Who is here on Christine Mountcastle? Remember, where's her attorney? No, he's no longer on Zoom.
Yeah.
All right, state, what is happening with Mountcastle?
Tendered an offer today, Your Honor.
All right, could you unmute for me, please?
Yes.
275 officer to 308.
All right, Miss Mountcastle, my understanding is that the state has tendered an offer to your attorney. I'm gonna set this for a plea deadline date in 2 weeks. Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset for a plea deadline date.
What, you mean an offer to my attorney?
Yes, and your attorney is gonna discuss the offer with you, okay?
I would appreciate it because I'm innocent, but I can't prove it. And because I was charged with aggravated assault with deadly weapons. Well, I didn't
All
have
right.
any thought in my mind of hurting my husband.
All right, so here's the thing. We're gonna bring you back on July 21st, okay?
July 21st?
Yes.
I hope nothing happens.
Oh, we'll make sure you're brought, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, Judge.
All right, thank you so much. And Deputy Laura, could you let them know that on the 21st, she'll need to be in court?
So we're just waiting on paperwork and then.
What time?
It's gonna be 9 a.m.
9 AM. You had me to get that.
All right, so here's the thing, Miss Mountcastle, you're gonna have to make sure you're up because for them to transport you, you need to make sure you cooperate, okay?
Okay, bye.
All right, here's your closing commentary in the style of Law Talk with Mike. That hearing had a little bit of everything. We had scheduling, wrangling, mental health considerations, and a few moments that were almost unintentionally comical, like the gentleman who thought going viral meant he'd caught some sort of disease. The tone overall was calm but brisk, with Judge Boyd moving through a busy docket while still taking time to explain the stakes to each person. There were a couple of cases that stood out. One involved a motion to suppress evidence that, if granted, would end the case entirely. You could see Judge Boyd's insistence on clarity. She wanted to be sure everyone understood whether the motion was truly dispositive or if the trial was still on the table. The lawyers confirmed it was, and she promptly set the matter for a jury trial, emphasizing the importance of getting all discovery squared away, including tracking down any missing video evidence. Another defendant, Ms. Silva, had been found incompetent, and the court discussed whether she'd need to be transferred to the state hospital for restoration. Judge Boyd was matter-of-fact but compassionate, acknowledging that these processes take time and making sure everyone was on the same page about next steps. Probably the most sobering moment came with Ms. Walker, whose case was dismissed due to a missing witness. Judge Boyd took a moment to warn her that this wasn't an exoneration, just a procedural issue. And if she didn't straighten things out in her life, she'd likely end up in jail or prison before long. It was a respectful, but very clear reality check. Toward the end, Ms. Mountcastle appeared via video, insisting she was innocent but feeling helpless to prove it. You could tell she was genuinely worried about what might happen next, and Judge Boyd tried to reassure her that she'd have a chance to discuss the offer with her attorney before any decisions were made. Despite the volume of cases, the atmosphere never turned tense or rushed, just steady, professional, and focused on keeping everyone informed. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read. Everyone,